Hey guys, it's Cameron Doe from Genie Details, and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your windows and get a streak-free finish. There's a couple methods on how to do this. The first method is the standard 2-towel method. I've got 2 towels here, Edgeless 365 as well as a WAFFLE weave from the rag company, and I've got optimum no rinse, O&R as we like to call it, diluted 256:1 standard dilution ratio. So the first thing you want to do when you're cleaning your windows is just to roll down your window ever so slightly, get your towel, get some O&R, and just wipe off the top level of dirt that gets collected in the gasket area. It's the little things that matter here. So now I've got my Edgeless 365 as well as O&R. We're just going to clean the window using 2 or 3 mists and using the box method and then the vertical as well as horizontal motion. Box method, vertical, and horizontal. Same for the side window. Now while the window is still slightly damp, we're going to follow it up with our WAFFLE weave microfiber towel and use the same box method, and we're going to finish off in a horizontal motion. Box, horizontal, and vertical. Same for the side. And we're done. Windows are now clean and streak-free. We finished in a vertical motion, so if we see any last bit of streaking, we know that it was from the outside. So now we're going to clean the back of the windows using the same 2-towel method, but this time we are going to use a glass cleaning towel. This is from the rag company. This is their premium glass cleaning towel, and the same old WAFFLE weave from the previous step. So when you clean the inside windows, you don't want to spray directly on the windows since you could get overspray on the plastic, which is not good. Instead, you want to hit the towel directly with your cleaning solution and apply. Using the same box method, box, vertical, and horizontal. Followed up with the WAFFLE weave towel, same box method, vertical, and horizontal. So we finished the windows using a horizontal method. That way, if you have any sort of streaks that came up, we know that if they're horizontal, they came on the inside, but if they're vertical, they came on the outside. This is to help check your work in case you have any issues. The third way of cleaning your windows is to use OPTI-SEAL. OPTI-SEAL is a sealant, but it's a great window cleaner as well, and it gets you a streak-free finish. One spray is all you need, and apply in circular motions. OPTI-SEAL is probably the best way to clean your windows without any streaks. If you use OPTI-SEAL to clean your windows and you still get streaks, you may as well just call a detailer and have them do this for you because it's really easy with this method.